Show you how to check the battery voltage of these lights. It's the TS10 version 2 and the TS10 Max. Works the same on either one of them. You can also change the RGB light color that it'll flash through, but what'll happen, I'll give you 3 clicks and then it'll give you a flash pattern. So usually the voltage is either, we'll start with 3 flashes or 4 flashes. That's the first digit, 4 volts, and then it'll pause and then flash 1 or 2 more times afterwards, which will tell you the second digit. So just 0.1, so it'll be like 4.1 volts. So we'll click through here. So I'm getting 4.1 volts. So each time you click it 3 more times in succession, it'll change the color of the RGBs. So now it's gone over to a red tint. Now green. So it's a darker green here. So each time you do that, it's just going to change the color of the RGBs, but it'll still give you the same voltage reading with it. If you keep it on for a long time, that light pattern may change down to a lower voltage, but usually if it's freshly charged, you're going to get 4 quick flashes and then 2 flashes after that to show you got the full 4.2 volts. But that's all you need to do to check the voltage of the battery and change the color of the RGBs when it gives you that pattern. So if you like this, please like and subscribe. Thanks.